Welcome back to the channel. Today is part 3 of my office makeover series. You saw me transform outdated cabinets, and I guess you could say I did some experimenting with those desks. Today we're going to tackle what's left of the room design. Let's turn this old storage-filled room into a hip, new workspace. Alright, open your eyes. Oh, wow! You already know. You realize you're always with me when I'm vlogging. First stop is Starbucks. Next we're going to World Market so I can get a couch. And the only reason I'm going to World Market is because they have some affordable couches within our budget. And you could pick them up right there, which is what we need because we only have a week to get this done. I'm redoing the entire classroom. It's actually a resource center. It's where parents to go get stuff that they need for their kids and just, you know, get more engagement with parents at the school. So yeah, so we're going there, then we're gonna go to Lowe's so I can get some paint for the mural, and that's all we're doing today.
How may I help you?
Hi, can I please get a large matcha tea latte?
A venti chai tea latte?
Yes. No, matcha tea latte.
A matcha green tea?
Yeah.
And did you want that hot?
Can I get it iced with very little ice? Can
All right. A venti ice matcha green tea latte with light ice. Anything else?
Yes, oat milk. Guys, so here's the room. I just got here. That entire wall is gonna be a mural. We're gonna have a seating area over here. And then to the far left of the room is gonna be the office space. Now we have some kitchen cabinets here, but you know, to demo this would just cost way too much money. So instead we will play into them being here and create like a little office kitchen situation. This is one of the desks that they already had that we're gonna use. We'll have to go to IKEA to grab a couch because the one I wanted at World Market was not in stock at the store. And we only have a week to get this done, so I need something that I can just pick up directly from the store and not have to wait a week or two for it to get delivered because I just can't risk it being late. I'm gonna do this mural and hopefully it turns out nice. I'm really, really scared that it might not, but I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. Hey guys, it's painting day. I got a little bit done last night, just testing it out. But today I'm gonna finish the mural. I'm really excited and I'm also really, really nervous because I just don't know how it's gonna turn out and I really hope it turns out good. There it is right there. You know what it's kind of looking like? Did you guys watch VeggieTales when you were younger? That's kind of what it looks like right now. Let's try to get as much as we can done. And then tomorrow we go to IKEA to pick up some furniture for the space. I ended up hating the way the mural was turning out, so I thought the best decision was to just scratch the design, paint over it, and start fresh. Alright guys, so I just finished the outline for the mural on the wall. I just decided to go with the geometric pattern because the other one was looking a hot mess. So yeah, I'm going to paint them a variation of green colors. I literally just went to the store and got a swab and said, hey, give me all those colors. So here are the colors that I'm going to paint each square, and yeah, I'm going to have it taper out where the office space is going to be. Okay guys, it's the end of the day and I'm gonna come back and start fresh tomorrow. I'm gonna finish this mural here and then I'm gonna get started on the cabinets. The cabinets all the way down there. So I do need to get more pole wrap to go on the cabinets. I'm gonna go pick that up from Home Depot tomorrow. But yeah, we're calling it a night and we're gonna start fresh tomorrow. See you then. I spent the next few days working on the cabinets, and then I tackled the desk. Both of my previous videos captured this, so you definitely want to check it out after this video. I'm on my way to pick up some chairs that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I just drove an hour to get here. It looks like she's on a college campus, but the chairs are really nice. I just made it. It's one town over, so not one town, but it's an hour drive. So I just got here. I'm just a few minutes away and I'm about to meet her. She seems really nice. Let's hope so. Good morning guys. So today is reveal day. It's the very last day. We got a lot done last night and today yeah. Yes. Oh, sorry, my niece is calling me because oh, Papa's sleeping? He's sleeping? Okay. Alright. So today is the very last day. Today's reveal day. So last night we were able to get a lot of the room done. Can you guys even see me? We were able to get a lot of the room done. We're on our way to Starbucks right now. The countertops are finally finished, so now all we have to do is put together the room divider and like a few decor items in the room. So yeah, we're just gonna go get some Starbucks because you guys know I love my Starbucks. So the shelving unit that I got from IKEA was out of stock on some of the necessary items. I thought it was just gonna be a shelf. I didn't know it was gonna be the top to this drawer. So I ended up going to Lowe's and buying a piece of board, and then I cut it down to size. So then I went and got some tape and I marked where the holes are. I'm about to drill the holes on the new piece of board that I've cut and attach it to the shelf. On the count, stay where you are.
Okay. You can let me go, man.
I love you, TT. She don't think you can let me go.
All right, open your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Cabinet.
Can I move
the
my
color
Yeah.
This is cool. Oh,
This is
I
nice.
believe these were the same desk.
Right, on the same room.
Wait a minute, these are the same desk? No, these are the same desk. No way. Oh my God, this is so cool. Look at this. I love it.
Oh my God, this is adorable. Just come in here, you want to come in and don't want to leave.
This room has been transformed into something absolutely stunning. Never could have imagined how this would turn out. The refinishing of the desk, the backsplash, the paint, this comfortable couch so that I could go to sleep on. It's just absolutely beautiful. Refurbishing our old bookcases, just stunning.
The room is amazing. I wish you could have seen what it looked like before. Just the transformation and the calmness, the colors, the selection, all the furniture. We're sure our families will be happy as they come in and utilize this room, as well as the staff that this room was designed for. And we also want to thank Elizabeth Upjohn Burton for her contribution so that we could make this possible. And we thank you, Jules, or should I say Jolene. You did an amazing job. You are so gifted, and we are so happy.
Thank you.
Jolene's the bomb. Hire her today.